It's your boy Rob from RTC PCs, and I would like to welcome you all to my brand new channel, RTC PCs, where we bring you tech reviews, PC build videos, refurbishing product videos. This is also a 1660 Super that we got for a steal you guys will not believe. And basically anything tech related. The reason I decided to start this journey is because I looked at my local market and found some sales of a deal that I would post of me reaching out to some of those people that had these deals and trying to actually secure these deals so I could try to make some affordable build videos. And I'll put those pictures somewhere here. And like I said, man, we got a lot of these deals that we have here for a steal. I actually got some footage of everything we had that I'm gonna post here in this video. And just to let you guys know and see when I secured it, when I found it, when I reached out, and you know, all that good stuff there, just to give you guys a better insight of what we do here, RTC PCs, and what type of content we're gonna bring you. So come along, and like I said, stay tuned for more content. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, man, we got these power supplies off of these mini computers here for absolutely free ski, which you know, accumulated us to 4 in total. And yeah, what we're swapping the CPU out of today actually came from my job as well, and we got that for the free ski as well. Back to the video. So with all of that being said, and with you guys seeing the process of how this process goes of flipping and getting these used parts, it's time to start the build. All right, y'all, so we finally finished building the PC, this is how it is. With it, sorry, cut this main light off. But this is what it looks like now. No, I'm saying not as pretty as it's gonna be. But yeah, we got the monitor over there plugged in, and then it's time for the moment of truth, man. I wanted to do this with you guys. You know, I didn't even see if it come on or we get a pulse or anything yet, but I wanted to do it with y'all. So, you know, moment of truth, man. Let's see if it works. Okay. We got lights, RGB. We got fans. All right, everything's working there. I think I do have it plugged into the monitor over there. So hopefully we'll get a pulse. And this is the HDMI power spec, bitch. Yes, sir, ski, post ski. And we are in the game, guys. That's a power spec motherboard, 270 PC mate. Let's see if we can go ahead and get it to register and see what it's gonna pull up.